To use the dual pepper ball pepper grinder and salt grinder, first you can adjust the coarseness, white being for the salt, you slide that up and down. Pepper is the black, slide that up and down to adjust the coarseness. To use, there's the P for pepper, so the arrow is pointing towards that, or you turn it towards the S for salt and squeeze the handles to grind. So there's the salt, and there's the pepper. To refill, just simply twist the base, and you'll have pepper over here, salt over here. Screw the base back on, and you are ready to start cooking.